Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a polar silver metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 5-stroke alloy wheels. Black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This CLA has 64,868 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.